Your wedding day is one of the most memorable moments of your life, not to mention one of the most documented. For a picture-perfect big day and experience and appearance, you'll want your wedding party coordinated to each other to your overall aesthetic and dressed their best. But let's be honest, coordinating everyone can feel like herding cats. Now don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 tips to help you coordinate your wedding group seamlessly and stylishly. Stick around for the last tip. It is an absolute game changer. Now, first things first, what is your vision? Do you want a classic and timeless look? Maybe something bold and modern? Or are you going for a fun mix and match vibe? We are talking to you, garden party formal brides. I know there's a lot of you out there this year. Start by choosing a theme or color palette that reflects your wedding aesthetic. For example, if your wedding has a garden party theme, you might opt for soft pastels, floral prints, and modern neutrals to lead the style. Maybe this looks like mixed and matched botanical dresses for the bridesmaids while creating balance with the groomsmen in more neutral attire like tan, classic black, or even dark green suits. Whatever you decide, this vision will be your North Star for all of the decisions you make along the way. Now, moving on to the second tip, it is coordinating your looks. Now, coordinating does not always mean matching head to toe. You can mix styles between the couple, the bridesmaids and the groomsmen, or the wedding party as a whole while staying cohesive. Now, don't forget to consider your own look too. It is your day after all. One way to set up your group would be for the groomsmen to wear suits in the same color family, but with different accessories like ties or pocket squares. Bridesmaids can opt for dresses in various styles, but within the same palette. This adds personality while keeping the group unified. And of course, your outfit should be the centerpiece that is tying everything together. Whether you're rocking a statement suit or a timeless classic, it is your look that sets the tone for the entire group. To keep everything cohesive, use complementary colors or design elements in your group's attire. For example, if your suit has a unique lapel style or a pop of color, reflect those details in the groomsmen's ties or pocket squares. Similarly, for the bridesmaids, echo your palette in their dresses or accessories. This way, your group's look feels harmonious while still letting you as the couple stand out. Remember, coordinating doesn't mean cookie cutter. Mixing styles or slight variations like different tie colors or dress necklines can add personality while keeping the overall vibe consistent. Tip number 3 is to communicate clearly and early. It is time to decide where your wedding groups will get their outfits and communicate that with your wedding group as early as possible. Now, for the bridesmaids, picking a fabric and color is often enough. You can let them choose styles that suit them best from a specific brand, but when it comes to the groomsmen, simplicity is the way to go. Trust me. Guys or anyone wearing a suit just want to know exactly what to get and when they need to have it. Some wedding brands will also offer coordination services to register your party and keep links, options, and details organized for everyone. For wedding suiting from SuitShop, every party gets a personalized dashboard and white glove service. Whatever you go with, that communication piece is key to making sure everyone has time to get what they need and ideally saving you all from any last minute stress. Tip number 4 is to focus on the fit. Nothing elevates a wedding group style more than proper fit. Ill-fitting suits or dresses can just ruin the overall look. Rentals and pre-hem suits might seem convenient, but they often lead to an awkward fit that just doesn't do anyone justice. Baggy jackets or pants that are too long can take away from the polished look that you're aiming for. Now at SuitShop, we offer tools like our Fit Finder, which helps each member of your group learn their perfect size quickly and easily online, along with nationwide in-person showroom fittings with our expert stylist. Plus, we deliver our pants unfinished so they can be tailored to the perfect length, ensuring every member of your group looks sharp and feels confident. Now remember, a great fit doesn't just make your group look amazing, it also helps everyone stay comfortable and confident for the big day. Tip number 5, adding those finishing touches. Do not forget about the little details. Accessories like matching ties, cufflinks, or even coordinated shoes can bring everything together. And if you're feeling extra creative, consider a personalized touch like custom monogram pocket squares for the groomsmen and matching jewelry for the bridesmaids. It is the small things that make a big impact. Now, if you're not sure how to tie everyone's look together, here is a simple solution. Focus on neutral accessories and use florals or small details to create cohesion. Neutral ties, pocket squares, or shoes work beautifully as a base and allow you to add pops of colors through coordinated boutonnieres, bouquets, or lapel pins. Now, florals are a fantastic way to unify the group while also individualizing the look for your wedding in particular. Matching boutonnieres for the groomsmen and a complimentary bouquet for the bridesmaids can create a seamless flow in your wedding aesthetic. Or if you want to go bolder, you can incorporate the same floral patterns or colors in pocket squares or lapel pins to make your group stand out. These small details are an easy way to elevate your group's look and tie everything back to the wedding theme in a creative and stylish way. And there you have it, 6 tips to make wedding party coordination as easy and seamless as possible. Weddings are supposed to be full of happiness and joy, and here at SuitShop, we want to ensure that the couple is enjoying each and every step of the way, including group coordination. So make sure you hit that like button if you found this video helpful. It does go a long way for this channel. And subscribe for more wedding tips like this one. And lastly, if you missed any tips, feel free to help others out by dropping them in the comments. Guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy wedding planning.